Boom. What's up, YouTube? So Caleb is working on catalytic converter efficiency codes on a 180,000 mile Ford E250 gasoline engine. So this is an aftermarket Y-pipe assembly. So who knows when this was done originally. We also advised a tune-up, which was declined today. So they had cats that were mid-bed sampled and went through the original locations in a direct fit Y-pipe. Caleb's welding in our famous universals, and then what we're going to do is we're going to use the last O2 sensor and move the O2 into a different location so that it samples the whole entire brick, because we know how some aftermarket products are, but we also know that people are not maintaining their engines properly. It makes it even more difficult for us to keep the light out.
So it'll keep the light out for at least a while, depending on how they maintain the vehicle.
Hopefully they come back and come get a tune-up sooner than later, right? But that's our universal cats for this Ford E250. Thanks for watching.